Toddlers don't grab toys because they're bad sharers. It's one critical concept they haven't learned yet. I know it feels like a character problem in the moment, especially with another parent standing right there, but there's a specific developmental reason your toddler does this. In 2013, a study in child development found that toddlers' understanding of ownership, not just their age, predicts whether they share. Yes, 18-month-olds do share far less spontaneously than 24-month-olds and need more cues and support to do it. The idea of mine versus yours is still forming. Your toddler simply hasn't caught up to it yet. So here's what works instead: the three A's. Acknowledge, get low, and name the want first. You really wanted to play with that. That's not excusing the grab, it calms your toddler enough to hear what comes next. Two, anchor, state it plainly. That's her toy, we give back what isn't ours. Calm, factual, no lecture. Three, alternative. Give them somewhere to put the disappointment. Let's find you something else, or ask if she wants to trade. As for the other parent standing there, you need way less than you think. One genuine, sorry about that, covers it. The long apology just shifts the moment from teaching your child to managing your own embarrassment. Ownership is a concept still under construction at this age, not a character flaw. Think of just share like being handed a new rulebook mid game and expected to follow it perfectly. One short, calm correction, repeated consistently, closes that gap over time. Some days they'll still grab. That's the concept forming. That's not a sign that you're failing. You don't need a longer apology or a stricter voice. The same calm sentence said consistently is what teaches ownership, not perfection in the moment. You're growing a concept in real time, not fixing a flaw. Give yourself the same grace that you're teaching your child. Good enough every single time. Now, if this helped, my free workshop walks you through the full method behind this. You can register at drlindsayemmerson.com/workshop, and you can find that link in the description below. Comment, give back if this is the moment that you've navigated recently. I love reading your comments. And if you've ever gone the other way where another child is taking your child's toy, then I'm going to be covering this soon. The same three A's, but what you say changes. I'll drop it right here when that video is live. Keep up the good work on your amazing parenting journey.